G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewy here, heading out for a little bit of a ride with a big group of people today. At the moment I'm lost, so I had to stop and consult the GPS on my phone, which I hate doing, but sometimes you just need to find out where you're going. This looks like the road I need to be on. Can't tell, there's no signs. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Rob, that's amazing, man. Oh yeah, my bro. Yeah, mate, yeah, I am. That's awesome, dude. Oh, here we are, the big galoot pack leaving Loftus.
Take this to Robertson.
Oh, I'd love to, man. Wow. He's going to let me ride his brand new BMW R18, is it? I think that's what they're called. Oh, I'm spoilt with these people, honestly. Got a Rolls Royce behind me. Lovely. This part of the national park is absolutely stunning. We're just cruising through at the speed limit pace, which is really slow. But man, the smell of the fresh air, the feeling of the road unobstructed, hanging out with friends. This is what motorcycling is all about. For me. Look at this. This is majesty. This is so beautiful. Amazing. We got up to 4 knots. That's got to be one of the most beautiful roads anywhere. I'm sure there are many roads that are as beautiful, but I don't know that there are many that are more beautiful. Just at the foot of the Macquarie Pass. I'm waiting for Matt. Here he comes. And this will be the first time I've ridden up here in really nice conditions, and the GoPros are working. Here he comes, Matt. Overtake me. Oh, there's a car. That's a much more skilled rider than I am. Go. Maniacs. Hey, that's 7. All right. And just like that, it's time to go home. Thank you very much, Schmokin, for having us once again. What an awesome day. And we're off and racing. %ers. I had a crispy chicken burger with avocado and bacon and it was fantastic. Probably up there with one of my favourite tasting burgers. What's your favourite burger and why? And we'll dedicate that to Big Stef from Bikes, Burgers and Beers. Make sure you check out his channel down below. To the white line! Well, that's about it. It's time to go home. Thank you very much to everyone for an awesome day. Thanks to Steph for organising it. I hope you're all well. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace.